Welcome, everybody. It is Bobby Two Pops Breaks on a Thursday. It is March the 6th. We are breaking a Gold Rush. Full-size NFL helmets. It's a two-box break. Last two boxes from the fresh case we started tonight. We did pick a name, get three via random on the left. We have already randomized the extra names. We alphabetized the customers. Gave everybody a chance to trade. Nothing going down, no. Just going to double check one last time. Thank you, Philly. So, yep, guys, and you're going to be able to keep for tomorrow's case, guys. All right, here we go, guys. This was 2 and that was 3 as far as our boxes go. Well, looks like we're going to get a college helmet here, guys. Alrighty, folks. Bam. Wow, man. Wow, well, Lone Star is going to get a big boy for himself here, folks. Bam. Going to be the Penn State linebackers, guys. I have no fuck clue who they are, other than Jack Ham. I have no clue who the rest of them are there, guys. Beautiful hit, though. JSA sticker and card on there, bud. Lone Star. Gonna take that baby home, guys. Wow, man, lucky Lone Star has some damn good luck in this room. Guys, my fucking camera would focus. Penn State linebackers, fellas. Lone. Alright, Lone, gonna take that one. Oh, guys, let's hope we got another solid box for you here. I was hoping we had an authentic in here, but after seeing that, I'm not sure we're gonna. Yeah, well, I'm sorry, guys. Doesn't look like we are going to get an authentic this baby with that big boy in there. Alrighty, guys. Bam. Well, guys, that's not going to be a bad hit either. Bam. Gonna be Herscell Walker on the Lunar, folks. Beckett hologram. She is a rep, guys. But not a bad one there, guys. Gonna be Herscell Walker for the Cowboys, guys. Wow, well, Philly looks like gonna one slot the Herschel Walker, man. We've had a lot of one slotter guys winning in these. Gonna be a Philly hit on the Herschel Walker, guys. Well, folks, that is gonna wrap up that case for tonight. Call out your keeps for tomorrow case, guys. You guys can keep for tomorrow's case. Y'all have a good one. Join us at Bobby Two Pops at Breaks.